What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to program a key for this 2018 Chevy Express. It'll work on pretty much every model with the chip key. This is our key we need to program. I'm going to show you that it doesn't start the car. You notice that padlock right there in the corner. It's not going away. The car doesn't do anything. So here's what you do. You got to have a working key. Here's the working key for the vehicle. We're going to turn on the ignition. Show that padlock go away before I turn it on. Show you that the key's programmed. Leave the vehicle run for 3 to 5 seconds. Turn off the car. Immediately take your new key, turn on the ignition, and that will onboard program the key. Notice our padlock went away? That's how it's done. Thank you for your time.